very fast. And that's what the book Getting Real focuses on. This is one of the point that the book focuses on is getting change fast, cutting everything cutting everything redundant down. And they say a pattern that is very inspirational. That is, if you want to design a web-based application, and you see your competitors have many features, they have 3 features, then you will want 4 features. They have 20 features, you want 30 features. They will finish in 1 month, you want to finish it in 29 days. That kind of competition, they say, is meaningless. You don't have to do that. Focus on the things you want to design first. And the order you design, they say, first design a user interface. Think about users. Think about the feeling. Think about the experience of users. What you want to do with your product. Then modify your core features.
Customer base.
That's how they design a 37 signals. You can read from the book. I think I recommend that you finish reading the book because it's very great. Because we are very similar. We all want to start a small team and a web-based application. So that requires us to be very fast.
Correct.
Right? So the management, I haven't finished reading the book. I just finished maybe 100 pages. So I still need to come on reading. But from the book, I can feel that that's the team that we want. That's the team we exactly want to be. We can learn from them. Because we have so many similar stuff. And they set up very good examples there. And I think we should really learn from them. Next, about the 12 seconds. You all know 12 seconds. What is a 12 second? 12 seconds is a video hosting website, which basically lets you record a video for 12 seconds, no more. That's it. No big deal, just 12 seconds. It just follows the pattern of Twitter. Twitter only lets you write 140 words. So when the Twitter first started, there are many third-party applications because Twitter opened the API, right? So the third party can develop their own applications based on the platform of Twitter. So there are a lot of applications. Twitter Picture, which is a which can insert the pictures in Twitter tweets. And 12 seconds. 12 seconds is one that starts with Twitter. It's very fast. After Twitter launches for maybe 1 month or 2 months, at the 12 seconds, just follow it. But unfortunately, they are down. Why they are down? Because Twitter is become very mature platform now. Initially, Twitter is not so strong. They need many third parties to develop applications for Twitter, so that Twitter can have the features that it original don't have. For example, retweet. Retweet is a function that many users want like, but Twitter doesn't support retweet. So there are many third-party applications that support retweet. It's very convenient. But after Twitter become very mature, Twitter began to develop such features themselves, or they just, the whole ecosystem begin to be mature. So the kind of services that don't have enough users will just fade out, will just fail to exist for a longer time. So that gave us a very good inspiration, meaning that if we really want to get a chance, for example, when the cloud computing, we all see that cloud computing is begin to boom, right? In the future, maybe in the future 3 or 5 years, it will become very booming industry. So it's just the same as Twitter. When Twitter first started, there are many third-party applications, service providers that want to provide their applications. This is a very good chance. But the question is, how are you going to sustain your services? This is a really good question. We all think of. We may start because I think Twitter video, 12 seconds, is a very welcome services initially. But after 2 years, the number of users stay the same. This is very bad because the users using Twitter actually, going up and up. But the users using 12 seconds video services, they just stay the same. So that's a cruel reality. It should make us think about something because we all have the passion. That's right. Initially, we need the passion, but how are we going to sustain it? How are we going to attract users? How are we going to change when the whole ecosystem changes, because we are a small team, we must be changes. We must change very fast. We must be super adaptive to the changes of outside world, to the customer need. So we should also think about the whole atmosphere. How can we adapt to the changes? So basically, three stuff they're connected with each other. So I hope that it's beneficial for all of us, and we can read the book further. Okay, it's presentation.